Good evening, everyone. Myself, Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of Lex that programming. So we will see today the demonstration of how to execute that program which is written in Lex. Firstly, before driven that thing, I just want to explain you what exactly the Lex. Lex is a tool which is useful for generation of the lexical analyzer. Lexical analyzer later part of it just use that token use that string and generate a stream of tokens. So this is the way that this Lex tool works, and there will be an input to the Lex tool which is in Lex programming, and a tool itself is a Lex compiler. So there is a certain steps to follow. Firstly, we have to write a program in Lex language. It passes through a Lex compiler, and finally, it generates that lex.yy.c, which is an extension of C code. And then after, once this conversion takes place, next time this lex.yy.c, it passes through a C compiler and it generates a.out, which is nothing but it's a lexical analyzer. This a.out, this used for the lexical analyzer, and finally this lexical analyzer, it takes as an input a string, and it just generates those number of tokens from that string. So this is the way this three-step process happens, and finally we get a number of tokens. So to demonstrate this little example, we have to install this Flex. So Windows that for the Lex and YACC, which is yet another compiler. So to install this, we have to just simply use this executable file. So definitely I will provide this link so that you may just download this and install this. So that will be in the description box. And finally, once we install this, this icon will be appear on the desktop. Now you have to just simply go where you just save those files, which is written in .l in Lex format. So you have to go for Flex Windows and then edit plus portable. And this is the Lex final folder. And here, suppose we have this token.l. So this is that given file we have to execute. So we just open this Flex Windows. And finally, once it opens, we have to go here on File and then Open. And finally, we come with this token.l and just open this. So here we have to just use, because already this program has done, we open some other files like vowel.l. So this will bring and go to the tools and Lex file compile. So here we have that status of compilation process. This is completed. Then next option is that Lex build. And finally, once this Lex build, it takes 2 seconds to consume, and there is a normal termination. And finally, we just directly execute this. So this is the way that we have to press the key. And finally, that application file will be there. So we have to just use that. And as we know that we have to just open that application, edit plus portable, and Lex final. So here we have this vowel applications. This is the enter string. So if we enter A, it gives us that vowel. And if we enter small a, it gives us a vowel. We enter capital Z, it gives us a consonant. If we enter small z, it gives a consonant. So this is the way it just identify which character, which string, or which character is vowel and which one is a consonant. So this is the way we just use this wonderful tool, which is Lex tool, and this set of Flex for Lex and YACC, and we just use that. Thank you very much. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get the notification of the latest uploaded video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.